The greatest gift you can ever give another person is your own happiness. Look around less, imagine more. A belief is only a thought I keep thinking. Life is always in motion, so you cannot be stuck. Alignment trumps everything. Stay off the subject that disturbs your alignment, and everything that you care about will come into alignment. If you want it and expect it, it will be yours very soon. You are joy, looking for a way to express. You can't watch out for bad things and allow good things at the same time. It is vibrationally not possible. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. It's not just that your purpose is joy, it is that you are joy. You are love and joy and freedom and clarity expressing. Energy frolicking and eager. That's who you are. Everything you believe affects everything that comes to you. Stop asking others to be the change that you need in order to feel better. That is the freedom that you are looking for. You are actually pre-paving your future experiences constantly. You are continually projecting your expectations into your future experiences. You can get to where you want to be from wherever you are, but you must stop spending so much time noticing and talking about what you do not like about where you are. You're not manifesting, you're creating the environment that allows the manifestation. It is not your job to make something happen, universal forces are in place for all of that. Your work is to simply determine what you want. Few realize that they can control the way they feel and positively affect the things that come into their life experience by deliberately directing their thoughts. The appreciation that Source feels for you, never ending, will wrap you in a warm blanket of worthiness if you will allow it. The most valuable skill or talent that you could ever develop is that of directing your thoughts toward what you want. I like knowing that whatever I am willing to allow the universe will yield to me. If you're not excited about it, it's not the right path. If something you want is slow to come to you, it can be for only one reason: you are spending more time focused upon its absence than you are about its presence. You are growth-seeking beings, and as you are moving forward, you are at your happiest. A belief is only a thought you continue to think, and when your beliefs match your desires, then your desires must become your reality. The moment you say it, the skies will open for you and the non-physical energies begin instantly to orchestrate the manifestation of your desire. You are not here to prove worthiness. You are here to extend the creation, creating that you are. Most people spend very little time basking in appreciation for the wellness they are currently experiencing, but instead they wait until they are sick and then turn their attention to recovery. You are the creator of all that occurs in all of your life experiences. You create your physical life experience through your thoughts. Literally, every thought that you think gives birth to a creation. There is nothing in the universe that responds faster to your thoughts than your own physical body, and so aligned thoughts bring a quick response and obvious results. Find something that makes you happy and fixate on it. That is the answer to all things. It's the answer to getting everything that you want. The law of attraction says that that which is like unto itself is drawn. In other words, that which you think, at any moment, attracts unto itself other thoughts that are like it. Your body is made up of intelligent cells that are always bringing themselves into balance, and the better you feel, the less you are vibrationally interfering with the cellular rebalancing. What I think and feel and what I get are always a match. And so, if I want something different than what I've been getting, I have to, somehow, generate different feelings. Anytime you feel good, you've found vibrational alignment with who you are. As you think, you feel, and as you feel, you ooze or radiate, and all that is, physical and non-physical, is affected by your offering. That is your power of influence. It's time for you to come into your own. Don't hold back. You are the energy that creates worlds. When you visualize to overcome something that is wrong, Your thoughts are diluted with the lackful side of the equation. In time, your physical condition will acquiesce to your dominant thoughts. The greatest thing you can give yourself is freedom from what others think. You have the ability to quickly change your patterns of thought, and eventually your life experience. Stop asking others to be the change that you need in order to feel better. That is the freedom that you are looking for. The only opinion, in all of the universe, that is of true importance to you, is your own. And your own opinion of you affects the entire universe. The entire universe is conspiring to give you everything that you want. You are the only one who creates your reality. For no one else can think for you, no one else can do it. It is only you, every bit of it you. Take 15 minutes daily, thinking of pleasant scenarios regarding your body, with the sole intent of enjoying your body and appreciating its strength and stamina and flexibility and beauty.